So here is the beautiful wrapping that was around the box, inside the box, and then there'd be another box inside that. But this came all wrapped up. It's so beautiful. All right, now let's check this out. Okay, there's 12 days of Christmas in here, and they're all wrapped up. I almost don't even want to open them because they're just so cute. I mean, look at them, all wrapped up, so cute. All right, let's start. Okay, I'll have to get a hold of them. I do not have day 3. Okay, I'm still kind of sad. Oh, on my nails is Parrot Polish Diamond Girl. Beautiful, beautiful silver hollow. Here is day 1. And it is a beautiful white, crelly Jack Frost and Jingle Bells with gold flakes and shimmers. That is gorgeous. Really pretty. Oh, there, I just dripped it on myself. There's how shimmery it is. Day 2. Okay, I was really hoping for that. Some top coat. Love, love, love their top coat. I don't know the explanation for taking away saying HK Girl, but whatevs. Day 3. Empty-handed and sad. Day 4 is cuticle oil, and it's Merry and Minty. That definitely smells minty and merry. Yum. I really like that. Day 5. Ooh. Cookies and carols. Oh man, this box is not disappointing even if day 3 is sad. Wow. Really pretty, pretty, pretty. Day 6. Awesome. I've never tried their base coat, so this is great. It is a sticky and stain preventing, so excited about that. Day 7. What are you doing under there, Penny? Oh, a beautiful green. Oh wow, that is just like packed now. Elves, angels and elves. Oh, really pretty green. Day 8. Woohoo! Control-Delete. And it is peppermint scent with shimmers, limited edition holiday latex barrier. Cool. I don't have any of their latex barrier either. It smells really good. And day 9 is Mistletoe and Mrs. Claus. And it is a gorgeous pink. I tell you, this was, what was this? $60, I think? I'm gonna have to check, but I think it was $60. I mean, I think it is still available. This is gorgeous. It is kind of a whitish pink, pale pink crelly with all kinds of pink and red shimmers and glitters, and looks like maybe some hollow. Yep. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow. All right, day 10. Day 10 is Ridge Filling Base Coat. Relief for nails with ridges. I don't really have ridges, but I'm not going to say no to a base coat. Day 11. Wow and wow. Day 11 is Santa and Stockings. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I just got through saying I'm kind of tired of red at this point. And this really isn't even a red. It's more of a winey purple with a lot of hollow. Sorry. Gorgeous. All right. Last one, day 12. And it is Hand and Nail Nutrition, Sugar Plum Fairies. So some cuticle butter. It smells like Sugar Plum Fairies. It really smells good. It's a little tart, kind of like a tart plum smell. Really nice. All right, somebody tell me. Anybody know what's day 3? I'll contact them. I'm sure there won't be any problem. They will replace it and send me whatever day 3 is. I mean, I can't imagine with all this what it could be. All right, let's swatch real quick. And this one is Jack Frost and Jingle Bells. Wow. That is gorgeous. One coat. Cookies and Carols. Oh man, guys. That is gorgeous, and that's just one coat. Angels and Elves. Really? You need to get your labels right. A lot of sparkle in there. Pretty. Mistletoe and Mrs. Claus. Really pretty. I don't know if that shimmer comes across, but wow. Now for it to say this is Santa and Stockings, and it is a white crelly with blue. So pretty. One coat, y'all. Second coat of Jack Frost and Jingle Bells. Oh, I just get it now. Frost white, Jingle Bells gold. Cookies and carols. That is so beautiful. Two coats. Two coats of angels and elves. Mistletoe and Mrs. Claus. It's just such a pretty pink shift too. And Santa and stockings. I just feel like this could get by with just one coat. And that base coat does stay like a frosty color. And there's the liquid latex. All right, here's everything. And just to update, I wanted to let you know, I sent Jill an email letting her know that day 3 was missing. And it was either a matte top coat or a water marbling clear. So she said she would send one out right away, and she was extremely sorry. And you know, that's what you can expect when you deal with indie makers. They are so great about making things right. They want you happy because they put their love and their hearts into what they make. And so anyway, thanks Jill for getting right back with me. And I told her, well, if I had a choice, for sure a clear water marbling. I always loved a water marble, so that'll be exciting to get some of that. Penny is playing, it sounds like. Augie has a lot of balls to play with. Get a ball. Get a ball. Get Oh, there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 deer. Right across the street from my house. Oh, 9. And do they care that I'm here, that I'm driving by? Not really. A whole gaggle of them.